Hi everyone. Today we're unboxing something which is going to change the game for home security in times to come. I'm talking about Native Smart Locks by Urban Company. You might be thinking, what's so special about ordinary locks? Well, firstly, with these locks you can go fully keyless. You don't have to share your keys anymore with anyone in your family, you don't have to place them under the mat or anything of the sort. Secondly, you could truly enhance your home security. Anybody could steal your key, anybody could make copies of your keys, but nobody can duplicate your fingerprint. And lastly, you could access this lock from anywhere in the world. You could be in the office or you could be on vacation, but you could remotely open your door for family and friends to feed your pets, water your plants, or absolutely anything you want them to do. Today we are unboxing the Native Rim Lock, which is a very unique product and is going to be a step up for home security for all of us. This lock is special because you can use it to replace your existing rim lock, or you can install it in addition to your existing mortise lock. Now let's quickly take a look at what we have inside. So this lock comes with OTP and with timed access. So you can give your friends, families and relatives an OTP to access your home. You can also give them access during specific periods of time, which makes your life very, very easy. This lock also comes with a battery life of about 6 to 8 months. If the battery drains, you can always use a mini USB cable and charge this lock with a power bank. You also have a copy of mechanical keys which you can use as a fail-safe. When this battery is about to run out, you will get a notification on your app, and you'll also get a notification on or a low battery alert on your lock, so you know that the battery is about to run out. Moreover, there are other reasons to opt for Native Locks by Urban Company. We offer very competitive pricing, seamless customer experiences, and airtight installations which make UC the perfect and most convenient choice for you. We offer free delivery within 1 day and free installation within 2 days, which is the best any brand can offer in the market at the moment. We also offer free 2-year installation warranty. So you can forget about dialing 1-800 customer numbers and worrying about frustrating customer experiences, because UC will offer you so much more than that. We have our specially trained fleet of carpenters who will ensure that the lock is properly installed to your satisfaction. With this, we conclude the unboxing of our Native Rim Lock by Urban Company. With this lock, you can go fully keyless, enhance your home security, and go fully remote from anywhere in the world.